In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete permission set in Salesforce. To begin, move to the top right area of the Salesforce screen and locate the Quick Settings option. Select Quick Settings and continue by choosing Open Advanced Setup. Salesforce will then open the setup page where different administration tools and account settings are available. After the setup page finishes loading, move to the left side menu and continue scrolling through the available sections until you locate administration. Inside the administration section, continue by locating the users category. Expand the users section so the additional settings and management options become visible on the screen. Once the users section has been expanded, continue by selecting permission sets. Salesforce will then open the permission set management page where the available permission sets connected to the account are displayed. After the permission sets page loads, continue reviewing the list shown on the screen and locate the permission set you want to remove. Scroll through the available permission sets until you find the correct one connected to your account configuration. In this example, an existing sample permission set is selected from the list displayed on the page. After locating the permission set you want to delete, move to the area beside the permission set name. Continue by selecting the Delete option shown next to the selected permission set. Salesforce will then display a confirmation message asking if you want to continue with the deletion process. Once the confirmation message appears, continue reviewing the prompt shown on the screen. After confirming that the correct permission set has been selected, continue by selecting OK to confirm the deletion request. Salesforce will then begin processing the update and remove the selected permission set from the account configuration. Wait a few moments while the page reloads and updates the permission set list. After the page finishes updating, the deleted permission set will no longer appear in the permission set management section. Continue reviewing the updated list if needed to confirm that the selected permission set has been removed successfully. The process includes opening Advanced Setup, expanding the Users section under Administration, selecting permission sets, locating the permission set you want to remove, selecting Delete, and confirming the removal request inside Salesforce. If the page takes a few moments to load during any part of the process, wait for Salesforce to finish updating before continuing. Once the permission set is removed and the page reloads successfully, the process for deleting a permission set in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching.